Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the syllabus of AIB E16. Now the question in the mind is which Bayer Act you have to learn, which Bayer Act you have to go through in deep, and which Bayer Act you have to just do a touch upon, so that you can clear your AIB E16 exam in one attempt. And for that, with no that much hard work, only a small smart work will make the work that happen, and also you will be able to clear the AIB 16 exam in one attempt. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. AIB 16 exam, All India Bar Exam 16. As per the notification of AIB 16 AIBE, you are only allowed to carry Bayer Act with the short notes. You cannot carry any notes, any manuals or anything like that. So now the next question is how to clear this exam with only the Bayer Act, because previously this criteria was not there. Previously you were allowed to take the books, manuals, etc. Now you can see in the syllabus for AIB 16 it is mentioned constitutional law. First we have to emphasize on the Bayer Act which are carrying the highest marks, like constitutional law, IPC Indian Penal Code, CRPC Criminal Procedure Code, CPC Civil Procedure Code, Indian Evidence Act, then family law, then law of contract, specific relief, property law, negotiable instrument act. Now come in the next categories: law related to taxation, law of torts including motor vehicle act and consumer protection law, labor and industrial law, professional ethics and cases of professional misconduct under BCI rule, public interest litigation, and ADR alternative dispute resolution including arbitration act. First of all, you have to emphasize only the number of questions would be coming 10, 8, then after that 4, and then 5 and 4. You don't have to emphasize on more on Land Acquisition Act, IPR. You don't have to emphasize on cyber law, environmental law, company law, and administrative law. If you leave these 6 Bayer Act, you will be hardly losing 13 marks. Whereas if you but you cannot forego the other, wherein the weightage is more. Read the Bayer Act in a very concise manner. Normally the sections asked in any of the All India Bar exam so far is only the sections which are common in use in the law of court. So first of all, you have to analyze out of these 7-8 Bayer Act, what are the maximum sections which are coming in the and used in the court of law, and what is their mostly used. Also the case law will also be coming from these Bayer Act, these sections only, which are in the emphasizes on the society nowadays. Out of the total 19, you have to only emphasize on maximum 13, 12 or 13. If you are able to make out of 19, if you are able to clear get a knowledge of basic things in the 12 Bayer Act, you will be definitely going to make it out in AIB 16 exam. How to study your Bayer Acts and how to find your answers in the AIB 16 exam, which is going to be further explained in the upcoming video. Also I will tell you in the last AIB 15 exam what is a criteria the AIB has adopted for the question pattern. Thank you friends, thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.